Hello, World Wide Web. Welcome back to my stock channel. We are doing some reviews on some gold mining companies, penny stocks. So far, we've mostly found zero revenue companies. They're not even trying to dig for gold, but I'm glad to tell you that that's not going to happen again because I'm going to start cherry picking the ones out that actually do a little bit of mining. So we'll have some numbers to see. This is Avino silver and gold mine, 65 cents a share. ASM is the ticker symbol. They have a market cap of a whopping 75 million US dollars. They are small. That's okay though. They can branch up operations. This year they're doing some revenue, $9 million in a quarter, $9 million in a quarter, $11 million in a quarter, $9 million in a quarter. Profit, almost 2.83 million. Profit, little tiny loss of $1 million. They have a balance sheet, and that balance sheet says that they have a whole lot of assets in comparison to their liabilities. 115 million in assets, a lot more assets you'll notice than the companies that we just got done reviewing. We got done reviewing companies that haven't done a drop of revenue in 5 years. These people have more assets than them, and the assets are growing. And look at this, they kind of flatlined the debt. So even though the assets might be going up, liabilities is still right around 17, 18 million dollars compared to 115 million in being right side up. They're fantastic. I like it. I like the fact that they seem to be able to turn a profit. Let's see how they did for the entire year. They lost $2 million last year. They lost 7 million the year before and 31 million the year before. In 2018, they were making money, 1.63 million and 2.52 million. Annually, are they growing? No. They took a nosedive here in 2020. The US dollar got extraordinarily strong. Let's see where they do their mining at. Vancouver, British Columbia is the headquarters. They could be doing mining all over the world, most likely. And the conversion to the US dollar is very unfavorable to them. Plus, I think gold prices have gone, still sitting around $1,800, $1,900 an ounce. So clearly they pulled up a lot less of it out of the ground. Let's hope this is not a trend of things to come. Can this company close quickly? They got $24 million in cash. The last 2 years, they're only losing $2 and $7 million. Looks like they might have trimmed their balance sheet here a little bit. I'd say they continue between the assets that they have. They can always sell off some of that land. They probably need to get on some land that's a little bit more fruitful. Maybe they need to ramp up their operations again. Their labor costs might be up. There could be all kinds of issues. But at least you here have a hope. You have a company that's cheap. You have a company that's actually doing business. Let's check out their charts. 5 years, down 48%. 6 months, up. Ooh, 16%. I like that. Maybe they did hit some kind of a bottom. Read the news on this one. So it might be worth looking into more. 6 months, up 16%. 5 days, down 10%. They went down with the market. The weaker the dollar gets, the stronger this stock reporting price will convert into US dollars as. The more of a recession we have, the more gold might be worth. So there's a few things working in their favor. Some of these gold companies might be the asset-based type of business that you want to be in during a recession. We're checking out the balance sheets all at once. This one seems to be on the decline, obviously, with the revenue. It's not like they found the honey hole and they just got to keep getting more out every year. Seems like they found the honey hole and then they lost the honey hole. And I don't know what this big net income loss. Maybe they bought a bunch of land or something with cash. Hopefully this net income went on their balance sheet as an asset. It might have. 2 years later, it might have. It certainly really didn't go on one here. It looks like in 2019 they lost a ton of assets and they lost a ton of money. So this was a big ouch on the company, whatever it was that happened. Anyways, I do not recommend this one unless it's like 5 cents or 10 cents. Avino